Now we're doing this section over here. It's a small bit. It should not take very long. So this lower grill is the same as the main back grill. Just rename these two lower back grill, and we just gonna make a copy and just make it invincible. Taking the lower back grill. Now we're gonna start working on it. Shift D, copy the over on the Z-axis. Let's turn the auto merge on. GZ, snap it in place. Take all of it. Now we just copy and snap it over on the x-axis. Cut those areas as GY and place it there. Right over there like that. Now we're gonna get a lattice for this. Just move to the lattice group and just minimize the lattice. Alright. Now just like we have done before, we're just gonna resize it to the object that we're working on. So now, just like how we have done it previously, we're just gonna resize it to the object's shape. Now we can just look at the lattice model modifier like before. Let's get the resolution U20 for a smooth curve. Let's hide this because like we saw in the reference picture that there's a small little frame. So let's try to make the frame first. Just follow my lead. We gotta join them first. The upper and the lower edge. Control J join. We're 6 in the upper area. I mean 7 in the total. So we need 7 in total in the lower part too. So we're just gonna get rid of the extra vertices. Now let's start making the face. Make sure that you're on the active element, then S x0, then sy0. No, cut that area. Alright, sy0. Now let's get 5 over here. Sx0 over here again. That we're gonna do the same technique like the lower one. Now sy0, we have to align them on the y-axis. Now A, which is an extruder on the y-axis. Now isolate this. Yeah, it's fine. It's perfect. Uh, it's way too inside, so we're just gonna fix it a little bit. Cool. Now we can just shade smooth it and subdivide it.